Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are back with formal letter writing. We have already discussed the format of the formal letter writing. Today we are going to discuss the questions and their examples. Some of the examples. The question could be: write a letter to the editor of a daily newspaper. You are writing this letter for complaining about the construction work on your road in the middle of monsoon season. Okay, what you are complaining about? That the construction work is there on the road of your area, and it is now the middle of the monsoon season, which is causing inconveniences to the people of your locality. Definitely, it's now becoming hectic for people to pass that road. So you are writing the letter to the editor of daily newspaper. Okay. We have already discussed some of the things, so I'm going to discuss this in detail. First, sender's address you will see here, XYZ Society Karachi. Then there is the date, and then there is the receiver's address, and we know that it's the editor-in-chief. So we are writing that also. After writing the name and the address, we are putting the commas, and after writing Karachi, we are putting the full stop. Okay, date is written also formally. Then the salutation, you will see the salutation sir, because it's formal, and then the subject also written: construction work in our locality during monsoon season causing us difficulties. Okay, so this is the subject. All right, now through the medium, now it's written: through the medium of your esteemed and respected daily newspaper, I wish to inform the municipal authorities of the difficulties of the residents of my locality who are facing due to the construction and repair work currently happening in our area. Now suppose, definitely, if suppose in our area some construction work is going on, so you need to write about that. Through the esteemed and respected daily newspaper, I wish to inform the authorities of the municipal corporation about the difficulties that the residents of my locality are facing due to the construction and repair work currently happening in our area. Okay. Now monsoon season has started a few days ago and is compounding our problem. Compounding means it's adding to our problem, it's increasing our problem. Okay. The repair work has been ongoing for 5 weeks now. 5 weeks have already passed and still it's ongoing and falling away behind schedule. Whatever was the schedule, now it's becoming late. And now with the current weather condition, because of the weather conditions, we are having persistent, means constant problem of water logging and flooding in our area. Flooding because of the monsoon season, we are having constant rainfall, and just because of that rainfall, the area is now having waterlogging, means the water is gathering here and there, and flooding in our area. More water than required is there. Another worry is about the accident that may occur due to the debris. Debris means the wrappers, the papers, the destruction area, the destruction things lying around the road. Okay, all the destructive part of the road maybe, or the buildings, all of it. That's the debris. Diseases caused due to waterlogging are another of our concern. Okay, now if water is gathering somewhere, Definitely diseases will be caused due to it. Therefore, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities with the help of your newspaper. Hopefully, you will be able to help us in drawing the attention and resolving the matter to the earliest. What do you mean by drawing the attention? The word draw is here. Drawing the attention means getting the attention, attracting the attention. Okay, so the authorities will be watching my letter in your newspaper, and definitely their attention will be on my problem, on the problem that we are the locality people are facing, and they will be solving the matter on the earliest at the earliest. Okay, then we are having thank you, and yours sincerely, sign Mr. XYZ. Okay, hope you have understood how to write the letter. So you are going to write this letter in your own words in your copy. Allah Hafiz.